Hello, my name is Brad, and I want to thank you for taking time to watch this video. This video is going to give you some information to help work on your website, which you see I have here. As going through here, it's a very good website. You have a lot of information here, easy to go through for your customers to find what they're looking for. I even see you have employment in here, which is excellent. Um, so we're going to get into this. We're going to first start out about content. Content is the amount of words that you have on your web page. And to find this, I'm just going to copy and paste, go into this tool called Word Count, which is free on the internet. There are several of them out there, but this is one I'm using today. It looks like you guys have 753 words on your web page. With that in mind, I'm going to go over here to your competition. Same thing, I'm going to copy and paste, put it into the word count, and they have 740. So you're doing good there. You're outranking them. However, Google has bots that are constantly going through your web page, and they're counting the words, your keywords, your backlinks, and such. And they are requesting or requiring these days to have anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000 words on your web page to stay in good standings and to stay at the top of the rankings. And what I mean by rankings is this area right here. Map It is one spot. This is the second place that most people will click to find you. Right now, you're in the second standing. Romans is first. Down here is organics. Again, you're in the third spot, which isn't too bad, but you want to be right here in the number one spot to bring in more revenue. And the same thing up here, up to bring in more revenue for your company. I'm going to go over here to another tool. It's called Ahrefs. Ahrefs, however, is not a free tool. It does cost me about $200 a month for this, but you're welcome to use this tool as well to help with your website. We're going to talk about organic keywords since I'm up here already. Organic keywords, I'll go into this a little more depth, but you have organic keywords of 88, which is bringing you in about 1.1 thousand per month right now from these keywords. So a keyword is like plumbing, heating, and cooling. You can see it's bringing you a volume of about 700. Plumber, heating, cooling, all good keywords, 700. Let's go down here. Plumbers Milwaukee is bringing about 1.7. You see how they're using and then an S here, 1.7. So not to bore you with this, I'm going to go over to your competitors over here. They have 105, so that's why they're outranking you so far. I'm going to click on that just to see a few of their keywords. And as you will shortly see, Roman Electric. People must know Roman, it looks like. It's bringing them a lot of volume. Again, here, 300. So they're using their name quite a bit. Roman Company again. Let's go down here. Electrics in Milwaukee, 500. Okay. So you can see these organic keywords do bring in volume. And I think you are at 1.3 something for your value for your organic. Let's just see what these guys have. Well, while I'm waiting for that, let's go back here. So, again, you want to be from here to bring in more revenue for your company. And the same thing down here. You want to be right here. And this is very easily obtained by adding more words to your web page. Like I said, you had 753. You can easily outrank them, your competitor, by getting up to that 1,500 to 2,000 words that they're looking for. Let's go back here. Let's see if it popped up. It did not. Well, oh, they did. They got 105 organic keywords, okay, which is bringing them about 1.8. Next, we're going to talk about backlinks since I've got this up here. I'm going to go over here. This is the same thing. They have 221 people referring back to them. And basically what a backlink is a link that where you click on it and it takes you back to a website linking to another website via clickable links. I know this sounds technical, but basically all it is a popularity contest. Whoever has the most backlinks is going to win the popularity contest. For example, the guy that was in high school that bought the Air Jordans, that made him popular for a while because he had the first Air Jordans out there. Um, so these links act like an endorsement for your website from others, which Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. So again, down through here is some of the referring domains that are clicking back to your competitor. I'm going to go into yours just to see who you have. 55. So you could use a few more backlinks too, it looks like. Again, waiting for these referring domains. These, again, are people that are bringing in um, your popularity contest, so to speak, and referring back to you, which Google uses. Like I said, they have bots constantly searching over these areas. Next, we'll talk about citation. Citation is anywhere your business name, number, and address are shown exactly as it is per your Google business profile. For example, I don't know if you can see, but there's a little comma here. That has to be there. Another one here. That has to be there. This and has to be there. The address, phone number, everything has to be exactly as it is on your business. So again, the same thing here. All this thing has to be here. So it looks like you're doing a good thing as far as getting this in here properly. But you're gonna, like I said, you're gonna work on your backlinks to get here and here and your keywords to get here and here. And again, this is very obtainable to be right here. And like I said, that's going to bring you in a lot more income. In closing, I just want to say if there's more information that you would like, I will be sending this video to you by email. You can reply back to that email, or you can call me at 608-574-2784. I hope this information was useful and that you can implement it into your business. Have yourself a great day.